All right, so welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, you guys are doing good and everything is okay. So, the young Reggae Boys are actually set to take part in a friendly international tournament. No, this is according to reports. Those reports made it official, their official confirmation. But I don't know, so once we are involved in anything, still going to take our time, and then no money is going to be a factor and everything. But for the time being, I'm going to showcase you guys what is happening and what is taking place. But before you guys do so, I would really want you guys to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Based on the nature of this competition, it seems to be an elite level type competition. Very interesting to see us partake in this one. So let me just get up right away for you guys so you guys can see what is happening. As you can see there, so let me read it out to you. The friendly U18 tournament in Turkey. There's it Pashan Chipin. I think that's more of the page name, but the page don't mind. This week it become official that the base of the under 20 national team would participate in an under 18 friendly tournament that will be held in Turkey. Many players are eligible or not. Well, this is basically Guatemala. This is actually come from the Guatemala press. I think it's Guatemala. Yeah, this comes from the Guatemala press. But anyways, these are the teams, and this is the particular friendly competition that we will partake in. Now, remember, I think it was last year, we were supposed to partake in a tournament in Spain. I think our U20 was supposed to partake in a tournament in Spain. Unfortunately, that didn't work out. So with this, yes, I'm very happy to see something like this popping up. But it's still going to boil down to if we can finance it, if we can find the prerequisite money to partake in this, or if the JFF are interested in it as well. But since they have confirmed this, maybe, just saying maybe, some talk would have been held. So these are the teams that will participate in it. One team from Turkey. Oh no, my apologies. Turkey U18 team. Slovakia U18 team. So these are the two teams representing the tournament, UEFA, in the tournament. Guatemala, CONCACAF. Jamaica, CONCACAF, Young Reggae Boys. Saudi Arabia, in the Asian region. And this is the African Federation. African Federation. Two teams from the African Federation. And one team from CONMEBOL. So these, well, them have that as unknown. So this is the, what the heck? So one team from the Asian region and two from the African region, one from CONMEBOL. I wonder who's that gonna be? But anyways, not really matter still, because at the end of the day, they're still gonna be strong. They're still gonna be very strong. Anyways, so these are the teams. As I said, let's get it back straight. One from the Turkish league. Turkey. Let me keep on that Turkish league. Let me keep on that. Turkey U18, Slovakia U18, Guatemala U18. Reggae Boyz U18, Saudi Arabia U18, two African teams U18 team, two African from the African Federation, which can be any team, because I know that's a huge region, huge region, and should I say, and CONMEBOL, huge region as well, so it can be any team, can be even Argentina, Brazil, it can be anyone. Anyway, so this is the tournament. This is what it look like. I think they said more information pending. This is going to be very interesting. This is going to be an interesting competition. If it happen, I would love for it to happen. If I'm being honest, I would definitely love for it to happen. Even if it happen, I would love for us to partake in it. I really love for us to partake in it, because at the end of the day, boy, for too many times you see these things pop up and we don't get no tight. But we'll see how this one materialize. Anyways, people, I'm going to keep you guys updated on this to see if anything pop up. I do believe that to find a U18 team, remember nowadays that they wanted to start a national U17 competition. So I'm not sure that maybe they want to use that. They wanted to use that in preparation for this. So no specific date announced, no particular date announced for it. So it's just like just to keep us on our P's and Q's to find out what's gonna happen. Let me see you. So yeah, so no specific date announced, none whatsoever. So it's going to be interesting to see how that one materializes. Very, very interesting to see how this one materializes. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. I won't go any further on there. So until we get more information on this, I will give you guys more. So more than likely the date and time and all these things supposed to come in place. Hopefully we have a team can participate, and also hopefully we can actually go there and partake in it. Not like what happened with the Spain thing, where we're supposed to go to Spain, go play in some 1 week or some 4 days, something like that competition, and it never happened. We don't want to see that again. We want to be competitive and all fun. But this is also good. This is actually good preparation, because if you can get some players to go and participate in this competition, hopefully it's before the U20 championship. We could use that as a little bit of preparation. Use some of the U18 players from the team who are eligible for the team to use that as preparation for this for the U20 championships. So we could see how that one work out. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you are here for the first time, we thoroughly appreciate it if you do so. Big up, MG Sports TV. Road. God bless. Boom.